Most gardeners waste their money every single season. They spend on seeds, on fertilizer, on tools. And when the store runs low, they have nothing. There is a smarter way to grow. An older way, one that costs you nothing after the first season. This is the knowledge most gardeners were never taught, because if you knew it, you'd never need a seed catalog again. You'd never need a grocery store again. Today I'm going to show you 8 plants that feed you for life. Calorie-dense, fast-growing, fully regenerating from their own seeds. You grow them once, and they provide forever. These aren't decorative plants. These are survival plants. And every single one of them is capable of regenerating itself, season after season, from seeds you save for free. Let's start. Number 8. Zucchini. Not the pretty little vegetable you think it is. Zucchini is a machine. One plant, 60 days, up to 50 pounds of food. That ratio changes everything when you understand it. Here is how you grow it right. Build a planting mound, a raised hill, 12 inches tall and 3 feet wide. Plant your seeds at the top. This drains excess water away from the roots. It prevents rot. It doubles your success rate. Most growers make one critical mistake. They harvest too early. Let your zucchini grow large, forearm size. At that stage, the skin hardens, and that hardened zucchini becomes a storage vegetable. No refrigerator, no electricity, just a cool, dark shelf. 5 to 6 months of fresh food from a single plant. 5 to 6 months of fresh food. When you're ready, scoop the seeds, rinse them, dry them for 1 week, seal them in a glass jar. Those seeds stay viable for 6 years. These are your next 6 growing seasons from one plant for free. Zucchini is the first layer of your regenerative system. Number 7. Spaghetti squash. While zucchini feeds you in summer, spaghetti squash feeds you when the ground is frozen. Harvest in September, eat in March. Number 7. Spaghetti squash. You harvest in September, you eat in March. No processing, no canning, no electricity. Most gardeners think squash needs ground space. It doesn't. Train it vertically. Up a fence, a trellis, an A-frame. 2 square feet of soil, an entire season of food. Cut it in half, roast it, fork out the strands. A base food that absorbs any flavor. Neutral, versatile, deeply satisfying. 3 resources from one plant. Food for your table. Seeds for next season. Roasted seeds for snacks, rich in minerals. No grid required. Number 6. Potatoes. The crop that kept civilizations alive through winter. 1 pound delivers 350 calories. Enough energy to fuel a full day of hard work. The challenge with potatoes, space. The solution, the potato tower. 150 potatoes from 3 square feet. Reusable for years. No catalog, no store. Seed saving is effortless. Keep a few small potatoes. Store them in a cool, dark space. Plant in spring. Each eye becomes a new plant. 1 potato becomes 10. 10 become 100. This is the exponential math of self-sufficiency. Number 5. Climbing beans. Vegetables keep you full. Beans keep you alive. Dry beans are 20% protein. They store for years without refrigeration. A single 6-foot trellis produces 20 pounds of food. Leave your pods on the plant until they turn brittle. The seeds inside, those are next year's planting stock. Keep a handful from every harvest. They stay viable for 3 years. Beans also fix nitrogen into your soil. Number 4. Winter squash. This is your nutritional bridge through the cold months. Vitamin deficiency is a threat. Dense in vitamin A, potassium, fiber, immune support. 4 to 6 months of storage without electricity. Train them vertically. 1 plant, 2 square feet. Let them ripen fully. The harder the skin, the longer they store. 1 squash gives you a meal, a snack, and next year's seeds. The seeds are your bank. The harvest is your interest. Number 3. Tomatoes. Most treat them as a luxury. Grow paste varieties, San Marzano or Amish paste. 40 pounds of food from a single plant. Eat them fresh. Dry them in the sun. Cook them into thick sauce. Seed saving takes 5 minutes. Squeeze seeds into a jar with water. Let it sit until mold forms. Rinse, dry, store. Tomato seeds stay viable for 6 years. They cost nothing. 1 seed becomes 20 pounds of food. Vitamin C, lycopene. Number 2. Oilseed sunflowers. This is the nutritional gap. You need dietary fat to absorb vitamins. 1 seed head yields 1 pound of seeds, 2,600 calories, nearly a full day of nutrition from a single plant. Harvest when the head turns yellow and seeds feel firm. Thresh by rubbing the head against a bucket edge. Eat whole or press for oil. Store in shells for a year. These are your winter calories, the fat your body will crave, irreplaceable. Number 1. Peas. Every other plant takes from the soil. Peas give back. They are nitrogen-fixing legumes. Their roots pull nitrogen from the atmosphere and deposit it into the ground. This is strategy. Strategy for a system. Peas are cold-tolerant. Plant as soon as the ground is workable. 1 trellis, 10 pounds of food. Every part is food. For seed saving, leave pods to turn brown. Replant next spring. The soil they leave behind is richer than what they found. 8 plants. 1 complete system. They cover every category: carbs, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals. Everything regenerates. Forever. From seeds you save for free. You don't need acres. You don't need money. You need knowledge. Start before you have to. The best time was last spring. The second best time is today. Subscribe for more guides on seed saving and systems. No fluff, just real working knowledge. The people who figure this out first will eat the best. Subscribe. Let's grow together.